This wellness center offers traditional Ayurvedic consultations, herbal remedies, and wellness packages. They want a new logo to look premium and modern while staying rooted in Indian heritage. After getting client description, let's check the old logo visiting their website. Let's start the research now using Google or any other search engine. I am very comfortable with the Google search engine, so generally I use Google. After research, let's sketch some of them to get an idea. The client needs a leaf shape or any botanical product including V on their monogram. So final sketch logo is on the screen. Let's move on to the Illustrator and a sketch is placed on the artboard. Here we will be using grid method, so let's start with the line tool and follow the steps as shown on the screen. After creating an image, select the image and go to width tool to increase the width as shown on the screen. This is the perfect one which I was looking for. After creating a final image, select everything, go to object and expand the experience. So monogram is created. Now let's type the logo name with the help of type tool. Here we will be using the font which will recognize that the product is a Ayurvedic. In India, generally, the Ayurvedic product used is Samarkand font, and the same font we will be using it today. Now two versions are created. This is the version 1 and the second version will be seen soon. After seeing both the version, let me know which version you liked it. There are minute differences between the version 1 and the version 2 of the logo. So both the version you can see on the screen. So here we will be using the earthy tones green and orange as a color code. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.